Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 5. Its title is Apple Pie. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to learn writing name and phone number. And we'll cover the SLO to write name and phone number. And we'll also learn to trace and write simple sentences of 3 to 4 words using correct capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Alaq, verse 3-5, read, and your Lord is most generous, who has taught the writing by the pen, has taught man that which he knew not. Yes, my dear children, what these beautiful words are telling us. Beta, these verses are telling us the process of learning. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying us first read. So reading is the first process and then write. So first we learn and then we write it. This is how we learn, and subhanallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching us this in Quran. So today we are going to write few things. Before that, you tell me, what is your full name? So teacher, this is brainstorming activity. Call every child and make the child to first say Assalamu alaikum, because we have learned how to greet, and then tell full name. My name is full name, and then the child will go back and the next child will come. So this activity is for every student of the class. Pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, good job. All of you know your full name. I'm so happy. Good. So let's now tell me if you know your phone number. Do you know your phone number, your parents' phone number? So just note it down, because I'm going to ask it through an activity. All right. So what we are going to do, all of you open your book on page number 47. Write your full name the way you just told to your teacher over here, and your phone number, your parents' phone number here. Teacher kindly make the children to write their name with using proper capitalization, guide them, and make them to complete this task in their book. Pause the video, complete the task, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now there is an activity. What we are going to do? Teacher will sing a poem for students, and it will be easy for them to learn. Now they have written phone number, and usually in writing children can write the phone number, but it's important for them to memorize their parents' phone number as well, because at the time of need they can use it. So how we are going to do it? There are different rhymes. Whatever rhyme you like, you can select. For example, I will select this. So how we are going to conduct this activity? Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. 567184123 is my phone number. Right? So every child will come, choose a rhyme of your own choice, and while singing that rhyme, you will tell the phone number of your parents. Okay? So pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope now all of you have memorized your parents' phone number. Good job. Now we are going to start writing, and for this writing we are going to trace. First we'll trace these lines. And my dear students, how do we trace lines? You'll hold pencil properly. Hold pencil, and I have taught you how to hold pencil by using these 3 fingers. We hold pencil. Okay, so hold your pencil and start tracing from the very first letter by making proper formation. How do we trace? Like this, 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 and this. Don't rush, make proper formation for every letter and complete tracing. And better, while writing, you will notice the first letter is capital and there is a full stop. So you will follow proper punctuation and give proper space between words. Don't make them too closer or don't write them too far away. Okay, so this is how first you will complete it in your book and then you will write these sentences in your notebook as well. So pause the video, complete this task and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will write your parents' names with their phone numbers in your notebook. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, once again, you will practice writing your name, phone number, and extra details. So what we have learned today, we learned to write name and phone number, and we practiced tracing and writing simple sentences by using correct capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. So we achieved our SLO to write name and phone number, trace and write simple sentences of 3 to 4 words using correct capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.